Hi everyone, I'm Akila. I'm here to speak about the topic MulSoft. Are you a beginner? Let's know what is MulSoft. A MulSoft is a lightweight Java-based enterprise service bus. It's an integration platform that allows developers to connect applications together quickly and easily, enabling them to exchange data. MulSoft is a Salesforce company. It is used to exchange data between the developers to connect applications together quickly and easily. Now, the main advantage of MulSoft is API management platform. Now, let us know what is an API management platform means. It is mainly used to design the API, develop the API, deploy the API, manage the API, secure the API, and reuse the API. Before going to the next topic, we would know what is an API. An API is an application programming interface that is used to connect, exchange, or data between two systems. Let us take an example of a client server architecture. Here, HTTP acts as an interface between the client and server. When a client requests a data to the server, then the HTTP protocol sends the data to the server. Then the server processes the request and gives response back to the HTTP. Then the HTTP gives the response back to the client. Here, HTTP is main protocol. What is a HTTP? And HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol. The main importance of this protocol is to act as an interface between a client and server. We need to know what HTTP does. Now, let us consider the HTTP request will be in the form of get, put, post, delete, patch, etc. when considered in web services. And in the same way, the HTTP responses will be in the form of HTTP status codes. Mainly, there are five categories of status codes: 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Each has its own meaning. Now, let us know the meaning of each status code. 100 is about giving the information, 200 is for success, 201 is creation, 300 is for redirection, 400 is for bad request, 403 is forbidden, 404 is not found, 415 is unsupported data type, 500 is the server error. Not only these, there are a lot of status codes of HTTP. Now, let us go to the most important topic of MuleSoft, that is API led connectivity. What is an API led connectivity? An API led connectivity is a methodology to transfer data between application through reusable and purposeful API. The main advantage of this API is the reusability. If we want to reuse any API, then only we should go to API led connectivity. Here, it consists of mainly three APIs, that is the system API, process API, and experience API. System API, as shown in the figure, we can see that the system API consists of information like database, files, mainframes, legacy systems, web services, etc. The system apps consists of very sensitive data that should not be exposed to public. It, that should not be exposed to public use. Now coming to the process API. Process API is used to build or combine two or more system APIs. It performs various operations like aggregating, splitting, routing the data. Process API must be private and should not be exposed to public for the usage. For example, if we take an application of booking a storybook in Amazon. Here, the personal data comes under the system API and the product details also comes under the system API. These both are together processed into one API for address status. This is the example of a process API. It processes both the system APIs together and forms one process API. Now coming to the experience API, it is the last layer of the API-led connectivity. As we can see in the picture, that is experience API is directly exposed to the users so that the information should be rapid and it should not be exposed and it should not be exposed to sorry it should be exposed to public. That is, the final result will be in the form of JSON or XML. The main thing here we need to remember is that any change in system API will not modify uh, will not affect the process API or experience API. We just need to modify the thing in system API. That's all, friends. Thank you.